afternoon, everyone. My name is Sala, and today I'm going to be doing a cooking demonstration. I'm going to be honest with you, this is the first time I'm doing this, but we're going to see how it goes. When I cook, I just use my hand with whatever comes into it for me to get the ingredients. But today, it's going to be interesting because I'm going to be getting this ingredient from this book. I know all of you are starting on the new journey on the CHIP program, which is the complete health improvement program. So what I'm going to be doing today, if you have this book, the Eat More cookbook, I am doing the recipe on page 136. I've never done it before, so you and I are going to be on a journey together. So don't worry if you make a mistake, we are going to work on it later. Now, we are going to go to our ingredients. If you look at your book, this is besan flour. If you don't have whole wheat flour or soy flour, you can use besan flour, and it's just a tablespoon. Because we are doing for more than 7 people, I have actually doubled to 2 tablespoons. And over here, this is a very good substitute for salt, nutritional yeast seasoning. It is there. I needed 2 tablespoons of it, but because we are going extra, I've added a little bit more. And then here, you have Italian herbs. If you don't have sage, you can use sage, but if you don't have sage, you can use Italian herbs. And here I have, this is the breadcrumbs, whole wheat breadcrumbs, 1 cup. But if you see there's plenty because we're doing more for more people. And here, this is walnut brown. Now, I went shopping, I couldn't find the walnut brown. So this is fresh walnut, and then you just put it in the food processor, and it comes out like that. So, fingers crossed, it's going to work according to the recipe. And here, this is just your normal potato. You can grate it, squeeze out the water, that's what I did. Remember, we are doing this for the first time, so experimenting on this is what we are going to be doing today. And then we've got garlic, crushed garlic, and then this is diced onion. This is 1 big onion. According to the recipe, you have to have 2 onions finely chopped, but because it's a big onion, I just actually used 1. And then you have a 1/4 cup of water. Now this is no added salt tomato paste. So we are going to be using 2 tablespoons of that. So this is all the ingredients that we are going to be using today. Now we are going to get into the nitty-gritty part of it. Before we start mixing those ingredients, I have put the oven on to 180 degrees. So we might turn it down a little bit. I will leave it there. Just want to heat it up, and then we're going to use it later. Now the first thing we're going to do, we're going to saute the onion and the garlic in water. You can see the water is boiling a bit now. We are not supposed to be using oil. So, I'm gonna put everything in there with the garlic. And we're just going to try and make it soft. There we go. There's no oil. We'll just leave there for about maybe 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. We have sauteed the onion and the garlic. It smells good, it smells fresh, there you go. So now in a lunch bowl, what we're just going to be doing now is combine everything into here. So we have the garlic, we have the potato, this is the breadcrumbs, all go in there. Just put that one for now. And then this is the walnut. Chuck that all in. Okay. And your herbs. These are Italian herbs. Go in there. And then your yeast flakes. There you go. Your besan flour. And now the saute onion. Yeah. Just pull it out a bit. Here we go. Put 2 tablespoons of the tomato paste. So, and this one. Here we go. Oops. So everything goes in there. I'll just mix them like this first, and then I'm going to use my hand. Now guys, please don't worry, I washed my hands. Like that. Okay. Okay, that looks like they're all mixed. Here we go. Everything mixed together. Here we go. That is our tray over there. And then we're just gonna line them up. We're gonna have a small break while I get this thing done, and then when we come back, you'll be ready for us to put this tray of these nutty potato bites in the oven. So I'll see you later. Hi everyone, we are back, and then now we are going to be doing the dessert for today. Now, the dessert for today, it is from the book that you have in your kit. Remember, we're just using the cookbook, and on page 165, we have tropical fruit salad. And that's what we're going to be doing today. So, now we'll get right into our ingredients. We have frozen mangoes, 2 cups of frozen mangoes. Now, you don't have, if you want to use fresh one, you can use fresh ones, but I don't have any fresh ones, so I went for the cold one. They taste the same. And then this is fresh pineapples, 2 cups of fresh pineapples. And if you look here, 2 cups of chopped pineapples. Those ones, they really look nice. And then here I have a 1/4 cup of shredded, unsweetened shredded coconut. But if you look here, I actually put it in the oven and it turns out like that. And the smell is really, really nice. So, and we have 10 leaves of mint, nicely chopped. There you go, all chopped and done, ready for you. And then we'll have the juice of a lime. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to combine everything into this bowl. So I'm gonna put the pineapple in, and then followed by the mango and the lime and the mint together. There goes the lime. That means all those pieces, they make the taste. And then I'm going to put the juice of a lime. Well, I'll use 1/2 lime for now. But this is the first time I'm doing this, so experiment is not that bad. So that's what we're doing today, which is experimenting. And then we top it up with, now we're just going to combine all of them before we toast in that roasted coconut. Oh, that coconut smells so nice. So we're just gonna toss that all up in there. And then we're just going to top it up with the desiccated coconut. There we go. So, look at that. They all combine nicely. And now I'm just going to pop it over in this plate. Everything goes in there. There we go. Everything in that plate. There is your tropical fruit salad. Now, you will have to join me to taste this one, but please don't worry. It's the first time we're doing, first time for everything. So if you don't like what we're tasting today, next time we're going to be doing